Good afternoon, this is Tawanda from Strada. I'm here today to show you this lovely show apartment by Prescott Developments in their latest launch called Verano, located in Studio City. So as you come in, you've got the panel here for your smart home integration. And the door is a biometric door, which you can open via fingerprint, card, PIN code, or manual key. To your left-hand side, you've got the fully integrated kitchen, which is fitted with Bosch appliances. So you can see very, very nice finishing. Got a kitchen island in the middle. Awesome. As you can see, comes with extra storage, dining table attached. This is the one-bed show apartment, but the building comes with one bed plus study, studios, two beds plus maids plus 3 beds. The 3 beds, there's only 8, and 2 beds, there's only 38 in the building. So this is your store slash study slash laundry. And this is the living area. As you can see, very spacious. This is quite representative, slightly smaller than the actual apartments, but this is representative of the project. And they don't come fully furnished. They come with fully equipped kitchens, though, and with your white goods and everything. This is the bedroom. As you can see, very, very nice finishing. And then you've got your walk-in wardrobe, and then your split bath and shower, toilet and shower. So very nice finishing. Brilliant project in Studio City. Prices start from 650,000. So if you're interested, please do contact me. My name is Tawanda from Strada. The number is 0585 722 309. And we can show you this show apartment as well as the model, which is here in Dubai Hills Estate. Thank you.